scapula is 10 by 12 lengthwise. All right, so Emily, how about you come over here? So put your back against here. So scapula, we're going to do an AP and a lateral scapula. Remember, stop in the name of love. So the first thing I'm going to do is slide you over, and I'm going to get this into right pretty much. It's 2 inches below the coracoid process. So I'm just going to get it back in the neighborhood here. But really, this is what you do. Just go ahead and raise your hand up. So the humerus, as long as your shoulder can tolerate it. If it can't, we won't do it. But 90 degrees supination. And then, do I see light above there? Mm-hmm. I do. That's okay. Now, I'm going to have you grow, yeah, just relax your arm. Because I realize it, I forgot I shouldn't have brought you up here because it's a little bit hard for you. But let's do this again. All right, and this is done at expiration, and the marker can either go down here because you have room for it, or up here. All right, down at expiration. So centigrade 2 inches below the coracoid process. Just do this, and put the, make sure you have some light up there, and you're good to go. Okay, you can relax. And remember this, we're going to need the entire scapula, so we got to think acromion, inferior angle. But when we do this, it does raise the scapula up, right? All right, now onto our lateral scapula. So this is just like the scap wire on the shoulder, except our center ray is dropped down, and we move the hand over here. But let's turn you around so you're facing the board. Again, the marker goes in that little corner here. I'm going to have you grab onto the bar with that other hand. And you know, this is the one we were doing. So let's go ahead and bring you into the board, step into the board. And I'm going to get behind my patient and find the superior angle of the scapula, the acromion tip. I'm going to oblique you 45 to 60 degrees. And now I am going to have you put your hand on your back here. That's just to pop this out. I'm going to find the middle of this border, scapular border, we're good. And now bring your arm down to your side again. And can you bring it over here and put it on your, there we go. All right, the whole time I'm keeping my thumb where I want my center ray, and this step you that away. There we go. All right, I know I'm going to get this, I know I'm going to get the inferior angle. I've definitely got the acromion up. If anything, I could drop it down, but really, I know that I've got it. All right, so, no, you're okay. And you can relax. Okay. You can relax. Okay. So that's the scapula. You know,